んにちは。安全運転を。
What's up, everyone? Happy New Year's. I hope everybody had a great celebration. I figured I'd bring you guys to Mount Charleston today, get some content done over there. But before that, I actually wanted to flash it back to some of the places that I went to in the past few weeks. So let's do it. I'll be right back. Everyone. Hey, that's good. Pizza. Look, man, look at the monster truck. famous Wes.
Famous J-Man.
Hey, so where are we at right now, bro?
Right now we're at Baja Designs Open House 2022, celebrating 30 years of innovation and success.
Since
Championships.
1992.
And bright lights.
Okay.
Since 92.
All right.
Good year.
Let's go eat. Let's go grub.
Boom. Here we go, going in. Hunter, take it down.
Wow. Thank you, Dang Brothers.
Hey.
Appreciate it. Look at that. All right.
Side action?
Sure.
Drizzle?
On half. Let's see.
One cheese and
Wow.
oh,
Thanks, bro. Appreciate you guys so much.
What's up, J-Man? How you doing, baby?
No, he's saying, what's up?
Hey, what's up, guys? We're here at Friendsmas. I'm with Nasty.
What up, though? What up, though?
We're here at PUREfriendsmas right now. And,
Oh, okay, J-Man. Hey, get through just in there, what's up, bro?
There's 3GS right here. We got Denzel right here. We're at Kakola's house right now. And I'm with Patty. DZ. Hey!
Guys, welcome to my channel. This is J-Man. Follow me on Instagram, jmatgarcia.com.
Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, Lou.
They're in the past.
What's up, baby? Hey, J-Man, well, you know what time it is. Vegas in the house. Let's go, baby.
Oh, wait, you
Hey,
get
Keeks.
4, right?
Hey, can you say hi?
Yes, so what's good?
Hey! Alright, so we're doing Friendsmas with Pure.
Oh, no.
Got
It's your boy
Filthy.
J-Man in the building, man.
Hey!
We out here, you know what I'm
Okay.
saying? What else we doing out here, J-Man? Check out my YouTube, J-Man Garcia, whatever.
Alright, alright. Okay.
Is this a vlog?
Yeah, it's a vlog.
Yeah. What up, J-Man's vlog? J-Man Garcia.
Hi.
I'm Bobby.
Click the subscribe button.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy J-Matt. We're here at the Pure 4x4 Rig Talk Toy Drive here at CSF Radiators. We're gonna do a quick walk around of all these cool rigs here.
Yo, what's up, everybody? We're over here at CSF. We're doing an annual toy drive, Pure 4x4. You already know J-Matt. He doesn't need no introduction. And we out here. We're giving back to the community, collecting a bunch of toys, giving them out to those who need it. And yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful day. You see all the rigs around here. And yeah, that's it.
What's going on, man? How are you, bro?
Good. Good to see you. Good to see you.
You don't mind?
No, you're good, man.
Wow. What's up, everybody? We finally made it here at Lee Canyon. Found a cool campground spot, and it looks like there's so many people. It took a while to get here. Just going to chill, set up a little bit, hike around, and just appreciate the new year. All right, here we are. Weather's perfect today. Probably take some cool photos and see how that goes too. Looks like we have a little trailhead down there. Just gonna walk and see what's out here. This would have been a cool spot. Maybe next time we bring out the boys. We can do some camping here. Doing some recon. See what we can do next time. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Looks like I'll be bringing the fam back here, do a cool camp trip along with some good food along with that. And also, if you guys notice, I'm wearing some Rays official merchandise. If you guys are looking to get some cool Rays merchandise, feel free to DM me on Instagram and comment below. I'll be able to source these out for you. And if you guys have any questions about my rig and anything else, you guys feel free to do so. You can catch me on Instagram. Other than that, you guys have a happy new year. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.